Hi, and welcome to Dwayne's Guitar Lessons. I'm your host, Dwayne Jenkins, and we are in the process of putting my second guitar together here. And where I'm at in the process now, I've got it all wired and stuff, got it all checked out, it's working good. And what I'm doing now is putting the back cover on, so I wanted to kind of show you how I'm doing that. This is the back cover plate that's going to cover the wires, okay? And one thing that I'm doing on the inside is I'm putting this tinfoil tape on there, okay? This tape is really for like heating ducts and stuff, but I'm putting it on here just to kind of help shield the wires a bit, okay? This is actually for heat ducts, but it works really good for this as well. So I'm just putting it on here. It's going to kind of help keep everything grounded a bit more and stuff like that. Just a good measure for that kind of stuff in case anything wire came undone or something. Just, you know, this will help just to protect everything. And so it fits already in place. I had to kind of grind it down a little bit right here, but outside of that, it fits in there like it should. And this tape that I'm using is just this tape like this. It's kind of like a roll. It looks kind of like duct tape, but it's silver. Okay, and you can see real shiny. And this is actually used for, I believe, for heating ducts. But you know, I like using it for this as well because it helps to shield that. So it's a good way of having that in there. And then it just peels off the backing, and I just put a little bit on there to just help protect that. And then now what we do is we've got holes we got to drill. This the plate comes with the holes, which is really nice, but there's not holes in the body itself. So I'm going to drill these holes. I've actually drilled those already. With my drill, I just took a cordless drill and a small drill bit that fits through the hole, and I put it in place, and then I drilled the hole. Didn't drill too far, just a little ways. And if you're not used to drilling, I would put some tape, maybe maybe only drill so far, and then put some tape on there so you know how far that you drilled, and so you don't drill too far. But I've been doing this for a little while, so I didn't really worry about that too much. But anyway, so we got those holes drilled now, and it's time to put in the screws. And I was just going to show you that real quick here. If I could just find them. I know they're right here somewhere. You ever be doing that? You're working on something and you're like, you set something down like a tool or something, and you're like, okay, where is it? It's right here. It's right in your face. You know it's right there, but for some reason you just can't find it. Okay, so now here's the screws. Here's one of them here. We'll put that in there. Take our screwdriver and just screw that in there. Phillips screwdriver. What I like about this comes with all the screws and everything. That's one of the things that when I built my other guitar that I kind of found is that a lot of the things like backing plates and, you know, tuners and stuff that require screws, they didn't come with the screws. So it was like, well, then I got some screws at the store but some of them were just too big. I mean, they just wouldn't have worked for, you know, that application. So, but you know, what are you gonna do, right? So this is kind of nice, the fact that this comes with the screws and stuff. That's one thing that I really like, is that it comes with the screws. And everything's right here, really. I mean, you know, you're not waiting on parts, so that's kind of nice. Now, if you want to upgrade, I didn't upgrade on this particular one because I wanted to check out the components of the kit itself. I wanted to see how, you know, good it all sounds together using its own stuff, because they're getting to making them a lot better now, and I've seen some of them where they got some pretty nice pickups in them already, and they got some nice components and stuff. And so, okay, so there we go with that. Got the backing plate on there now, and we just need to put the neck. The front's pretty much done, except we got to put on the neck. So I'm going to finish up the neck, do some stuff on that, and that'll be our next part of the putting this bad boy together. So thanks again for watching. Hope you're doing well with your projects. If you like the video, please let me know or leave any comments, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.